How does it sound? Is it loud enough? Yes. Let's do it. Peter Pan syndrome, I'm gonna live forever. No one gets older over here and never, never with the weather's whatever. Shades and umbrellas. Shades and umbrellas. Peter Pan syndrome, I'm gonna live forever. No one gets older over here and never, never with the weather's whatever. Shades and umbrellas. Shades and umbrellas. Pigeons from pebble, the pebbles of a rebel. Too old to die young and I'm too young to settle. Too deceitful to lie, too kind to be helpful. I walk a thin line between genius and mental. I claw through the portal, fell around the bend. I thought I was a mortal till I hit a dead end. I was born in a death spin, spoiled with an epic. And taught to be something by a voice in my head. I inhaled like lessons, lived all these lessons. The day I saw everything in essence. I saw the birds fly to a place like a sky. I heard the air cry as she told this third time. I feel like I died and I've come back to life. I used to be blinded but now tomorrow's in sight. I had an epiphany.